Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be unboxing another amazing AOC monitor, and this one is Q27G3XMN, and this have a lot of special features to talk about. And one of its standout feature is that it has a mini LED screen that also uses quantum dot technology, offering enhanced color accuracy and brightness whether you are a competitive gamer or just looking to upgrade your setup. So let's unbox this and see what do we have inside the box and set it up and talk about all the crazy features this monitor has to offer. Okay, so all the instructions when you open the box is here. What are the steps you need to take to set up this monitor, which is very good. First of all, there are some instructions here, and we have the setup guide here also. All the instructions available on this thing, how you can set it up, how you should take it out and not without breaking your monitor. All right, so let's slide this out first, exactly like that. So first of all, we have the base of the monitor, so let's open this. Alright, so this is the base, very solid and good quality base here, which is good. Next thing we have here, warranty brochure and all the instructions available inside for you guys to look at. We have one power cable, one of the display cable comes with it, which is very good, and one of the HDMI cable. So it's always recommended to use the cables which comes with your monitor. Alright, so the next part, we have the arm and the monitor itself. Leave the monitor inside as it is and then take out the arm. So leave the monitor as it is, you just put this arm like that and a nice click, and then your arm is done. For the base, let me show you guys a little bit this way. So this base goes just like that inside here, and then with the one screw, just tie this up. So that's how you put the base and arm, and then carefully remove your monitor from your box. And this is how it's so simple to set up these monitors, and it looks good. It's a very decent sized monitor also. There are a lot of functionality on itself, first of all, which we're going to talk about in terms of, let me turn it around for you guys so I can show you guys. So we can move it up and down just like that, so according to your preference how you want it to be. And then your tilts and your swivels works perfectly. They give you a lot of angle here to move it around without even moving the base, so which is also very good and very handy. Then we have the hole here where all the cables can go in and connect to your monitor. So if you are putting the arm for the table or anything, so you can have the external arm also to go with the VESA mount here as well. So let's set this up with our computer and put it on the test, play some games, do some work and see how this monitor perform. Okay guys, this one is all set up. Setup was easy, straightforward. There was no any additional settings was required. I just plug and play and all in the perfect condition. As we all know that I do a lot of AOC monitor reviews and unboxings and share with you guys the setups. Most of them, they have a menu at the same position. This one is also like any other AOC menu. Let's say I go into the game mode, and in the game mode we have different game modes to select from. So here we have FPS, RTX, Racing, Gamer 1 and Gamer 2, which are the custom ones you can use. I will be putting on the RTS for now. It looks great here. Then there's all the other AMD FreeSyncs, which is the premium settings for this monitor, you can use here as well. Let's go down into the AMD sync settings, so you can turn it on and off as well here. And other controllers you need, like for example frame counters, FPS counters and everything, you can actually choose from these settings, which is very handy. So I am on their sgstore.aoc.com. I wanted to take you guys through that. Of course, AOC have a lot of different models available in their catalog, so you guys can check on the website also. But specifically for this model, a lot of people ask for the price. So these prices are in the SGD. You can check in based on your country also on their main website, aoc.com. You can check from there. But here it is at this moment on 489 Sing dollars. And this 489 Sing dollars are actually under the offer at this moment. So that's very good. A lot of people ask about it, how much tilt and which modes we can use for it. For example, this one can be used fully in the portrait mode as well, so if you want to do that. All the information also available whenever you are going to the aoc.com website. You'll be able to see all the under the specifications. They put it very nicely as well. This monitor features a 27-inch flat VA panel with a crisp 2560 by 1440 quad HD resolution with mini LED. You will be getting sharp visuals with vibrant colors thanks to the 1.07 billion display colors this monitor can produce. The design of this monitor is stylish but also practical. Weighing in at about 7 kg, it offers a height adjustment of 130 mm, a tilt range from -5° to 23°, and it can swivel up to 30° in either direction. It also supports a 100 mm by 100 mm VESA mount, and let's not forget the 3-sided frameless design, which gives it a sleek modern look, perfect for multi-monitor setups. Now when it comes to the connectivity, it comes equipped with two HDMI 2.0 ports that supports up to 144 Hz at 1440p and a DisplayPort 1.4 that can push up to 180 Hz. This ultra-fast refresh rate paired with a 1 millisecond response time ensures that you are getting a smooth and responsive gameplay. Whether you are into a fast-paced FPS or racing games, this monitor is designed to keep up with the action. It uses mini LED backlighting, which excels in precision and brightness control for those who prioritize a bright and vibrant performance. It also supports the adaptive sync, ensuring you get tear-free gaming even when your frame rate drops. Additionally, it comes with VESA certified display HDR 1000, providing stunning dynamic range and brilliant highlights. And for those who enjoy long gaming sessions, the flicker-free technology is a great touch to reduce eye strain. Wow, the graphics on this one, right, are crazy. Come baby. I need to end the video, but first, wait, I'll come back to you. So I'm playing this, it's so much fun. This game mode I'm using, right, I show you guys, it was quite bright and quite nice to the eyes also. So I really enjoying this game into this. But apart from this game, FPS games, Valorant, I was playing earlier as well. What are the pros and cons of this monitor? I always say that I don't like the monitors with these buttons, to be honest. I always prefer the one with the remote control. It's very easy to manage. So some AOC monitors from some series comes with the remote control. So please AOC, please provide remote control for every single monitor. That would be very helpful. Please let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to assist you guys with your questions, inquiries, or want to know more about it. I will be dropping the links in the description as well, where to buy it, what are the specifications and all these things, and if there are any discount code available, I'll be adding that as well in the description. I hope I have covered most of the basic and crazy features of this monitor. And if you guys have enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for the more upcoming videos. I will be unboxing a lot of other models as well. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.